cutting my brother's hair. So yeah, I'm about to leave right now. And I got a new camera. Yeah. I got on, I think it's American Eagle or Hollister black jean shorts, Birkenstocks. So yeah, I'm gonna pick the camera back up when I'm doing something. So I just got in the car. I'm about to go to my girlfriend's house so we can meet up, and then we're going to a park. Actually, she just texted me. So yeah, I'm gonna pick the camera up when we get to the park, or when I get to her house. So yeah.
Ice on my neck.
Are you going to water your car breaking down?
Yeah. We just got to the park after something happened to my car. What happened?
Okay, so we were driving in the car. It started making this weird rattle noise, and his tire was gonna fall. But his wheel, he couldn't hold it still. His hand was going like this, and it was bouncing. So we pulled into the Walmart parking lot, and he made me drive his car so he could see what was happening. And he said something was, what'd you say was wrong with it? You saw the exhaust pipe or whatever?
Yeah, when you drove, it was bouncing up and down.
Yeah.
So I thought it was that, something was loose with that. But then I drove and I had her look at it, and
the tire almost fell off.
Yeah.
So he called his mom, and his mom called his grandpa, which fixes cars or whatever. And his grandpa was even too scared to drive it, so I think he called the tow truck to come and get it, or come and look at it, or take it somewhere so he can get it fixed. So now he's driving a raggedy old truck, and my door flew open. I can't explain that enough. We were driving, and my door flew open.
I put a clip of it in the right before we got to the park. The blue truck. Her door didn't shut all the way, so when I turned the corner, it flew open.
It was such a busy street too.
Yeah. But we're gonna go
look at the water.
Yeah, do stuff. I don't know what we're gonna do.
Well, there's trails.
We'll probably
here.
Look at that. We'll probably mess around on this because it's like a
Ninja Warrior course.
Right. Yeah. We actually didn't play on that park back there because it was
that's for adults.
It's you have to do it all at once, so it's you have to have momentum. I'm not running anywhere. I mean, jean shorts and Birks. But right now, oh, there's bugs. Yeah, right now we're just walking. See.
Well, we probably shouldn't walk the trails. We'll get bit up. We have no bug spray.
Yeah, probably not. There's trails, but we're probably not gonna walk them.
Don't drop your camera.
I'm gonna try not to, actually. But yeah, She's all the way up there. I stopped to get a couple things of some flowers. Yeah, there's these fossils up here. So I'm gonna pick the camera back up when we get up there.
I just killed a mosquito.
Take off the foo-foo, take off the cloud chase, take off the Wi-Fi, take off the uniform, take off the car loan, take off the flex and the white loss, take off the weird ass jewelry. I'ma take 3 steps, then I'm taking off top.
We just got to the second park. There's a car.
You locked it up?
Yeah, I did. This is it.
I like this.
Yeah.
I've never been here.
This one seems like it would be more like, yeah, like we'll be able to do it actually. Yeah, I'm gonna set the camera up and then I'll do like a time lapse of us on the park.
Let's go play on swings.
Okay.
How do I get back home?
We're leaving this park. I don't know what we're doing next, but yeah.
Probably going back home.
Yeah. Because it's,
Already almost 8.
yeah, it's almost 8. So, yeah, we're gonna get in the car.
Good job parking on the side.
Yeah, you did. Just unlock my door. Yeah.
I pulled up in that 18th, let it repeat buggy. Had to switch to hue, cause I'm LA boy smuggy, but more likely to get hurt by somebody who love me. My lady, she don't trust me. Know I'm a sick puppy. Know that women throw themselves at me and men want me. Anything could happen for attention and rent money. I got so much.
My girlfriend just dropped me off at my, well, not my car, but this truck. Yeah. So, I just got back to my house. I'm in my room right now. That is not the end of the vlog. I have 2 more things, dinner, and then I'm cutting my brother's hair. That's it. Yeah, I haven't ate dinner yet. But, so I haven't ate yet. I put a hoodie on because I was cold. But I still have everything on that I had on before. I'm taking my Birks off. I'm about to go through my clips from what I recorded when we were out. I'm not like editing them, but I'm just putting them together so then, because I already recorded a majority of what I wanted to record. So I'm just putting that all in, just getting the lighting right and everything, just color grading it, and
Report. How many people are watching that? How many people have it?
so I'm getting ready to cut my brother's hair right now. I got my cape I'm about to take this stuff out of my bag and put it at my setup because I cut my grandpa's hair the other day and I didn't ever unpack. That's gonna be him. I just finished the haircut. Lip taper. Tapered it on. Alright, now I just gotta clean up because it got a mess. So I'm gonna start doing that. After that, I'm going to bed. I'm tired. It's almost 1 in the morning. So yeah, this is gonna be the end of it. I hope it was a good video. I'm really excited to see how this camera turns out. Yeah.
I made 300,000.